In this Argos support video, we will show you how to set up the Bush bagged cylinder vacuum cleaner. Firstly, insert the flexible hose coupling into the hose socket. Then, turn the hose clockwise to secure it in position. To remove the hose, turn the hose anti-clockwise and pull it away from the vacuum body. Ensure the vacuum is switched off when removing the hose. Next, insert the flexible hose into the extension tube. The length of the tube can be adjusted with the extension tube button. The crevice nozzle can be fitted straight onto the flexible hose or onto the extension tube. Attaching the floor head is a similar process to attaching the extension tube. Firmly push the extension tube into the floor head. Your Bush vacuum is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.